Hello members, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I believe you've been doing good. Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Thank you for taking your time to come back. For the new members, most welcome. For the old members, I'm so grateful to have you. So today I want us to learn something about market structure. As you can see, my screen looks quite different because of my settings. So let me just first change the settings so that we can have a clear picture. Yes, it now looks good. The green candle, it is a bull or a buying candle. The white candle is a selling or a bear candle. So today, let us look a bit of market structure so that we can know why do we sell, why do we buy on this market. So this is BOM 300 H4 time frame, and we are going to start it here. To get these drawings, you just click anywhere on your screen, then this ball appear, you choose that point, then we start. This is the low of the market. Let us fill this box. Yes, that way. That was the low. Okay, the market was on a down trade. The market was moving this way, as you can see. The market was doing that way, and as you can see, it made this low here. It made this low here, then made this high, but it failed to make a new low here. So you see now there is a change of market structure. It is not yet confirmed, but as you come to this point, at this line there, arrow, you see this level was broken. This here, it was broken, and we had a new high here. So our entry could be at this point. Why? Because at this point we had this. Let me draw it well again. We had this area here. That area that was there. So let me mark it with this was a high that was broken. The market was on a down trade. The market is on a down trade. That one. Market structure, we look at higher highs, higher lows, lower lows, lower highs. So that is how the market was on a down trade. As you can see now, the market was making, I want it to be clear so that we can understand what I'm saying. The market was making this was that move, then this move which broke this level, then made this move, then this move broke this level, then we had this move. Now we anticipate that this move here should be broken, but in our case it has not been broken. So on a down trade market, the market always makes this is a low, this is a high, this is a so this is a low and this is a lower high. So we have a lower low here, we have a lower high here, we have a lower low here, we have a lower high here. So we anticipate the market to create another lower low, another lower high. But as we can see from our line, from where we are now, as at now here, as at this, so we anticipated now here it will make a lower low, but it never made a lower low. Instead of making a lower low, it made a high here and left a level here, as you can see it. So we are now changing the character. The market has changed from this way, and now it is making this way. As we have seen, we have been making a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. But now, instead of this market, after it made this lower high, and made this lower low, we were anticipating that the market to come and form this level. But in our chart, it never came to that level. What we have seen now the market has done this way. It has formed a high. Now instead of a low, it has formed a high, and this has become a low. And because now we are on an up trend, so we will anticipate now it will make a higher low, higher, which is above this low. So this was low, but this is a higher low. This was a high, it is going to make another high. So that is what the market is doing here. So after it changed here, we have formed, sorry, because these the drawing are disappearing because I'm just using an app. So it made this high and this higher low. Then it made this higher high, then this higher low, and the market continued. As you can see here, we are on an up trend that way. So for us to know we are on an up trend, we look for something like this, very clear, something like this. Okay, we can choose this. We can use this level. Then that way, the market is on an up trend, and on a down trend we have seen it. Now when it comes to entry, now we have seen, like now where the market is, it is raging. The market is raging. It is raging between here and here, between this level and this level. The market, why the market has come to this level, is because of this order block there. That is yeah. So we are waiting for this market either on H4 to break this level, to break on H4. We are waiting for it to break this level or this level. So if it breaks this level downward, we wait for it that way, this way, then we sell it. If it breaks this level upside, we wait for it that way, then comes back to retracement, then we buy it. So that is what we are anticipating on Boom 300. If we come to 30 minutes time frame, what is happening in 30 minutes time frame? We minimize it. The same case is happening. We are raging, but we have something here. I've seen something here. There is something that is called head and shoulder, and I have seen this on 30 minutes time frame. Although it has not broken this neckline, we have a neckline here. So we wait for this market to come and this way, then it may break this level. If it breaks this level downward, we wait for retracement, then we enter a sell in 30 minutes time frame. So that is on Boom 300. So for scalpers, I love scalping. For scalping, we come and say we were late. We could have waited for it at this point. Scalper, they are the people who enters the market, hold for a few minutes, then they leave the market. So we could have gotten something here. But now, even if it is approaching this level, we have no reason to enter. Why? Because the level has been tested many times, and the level may have weakened. We have this 1, 2, 3. So the fourth time, the level may be weak and we may come down. So our next trial for scalping, it is on this area, the starting of this candle here, this area. We can scalp. You risk 2, 3 candles. If it is spike, you get the money. If it doesn't, you take a small loss. So that is for scalping, as you can see what I'm saying. It is I think I will reach there at this moment. We'll come back later, and maybe later we'll record on how the market played out on M30 and M1 hour time, H4 time frame. Thank you for taking your time. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, refer, and leave a comment if there is a question. And if you would like to have an account, kindly ask and I will send you the link to create an account and have these items that I am having. Thank you. Subscribe. Thank you.